We have helped companies reduce their design cycles by automating their design processes. 1,500 plus unique outer sheet panels and sub-supporting structures are required for the 6 buildings shown. Each panel is unique. We developed a process that utilized ProEngineer, automating the panel layout design process. We reduced each panel design cycle from 24 hours to 45 minutes with an estimated time savings of 23.25 hours for 1,500 panels, which equals 34,875 hours saved. We can help you reduce your design cycles by automating your design processes, saving you time and money.